Are you tired of the same old 9-to-5 grind, yearning for a way to make money while you sleep? You're not alone. Many of us crave financial freedom and the flexibility to live on our own terms. Then you're in the right place. Welcome to our guide on unlocking passive income. Allow us to introduce Asim Hafeez, the mastermind behind this fastest money-making method. A seasoned player in the realm of passive income, Asim has cracked the code to financial freedom with his innovative strategies. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets Asim has to share. Generating passive income isn't an easy task, especially when you're surrounded by misconceptions. The challenge begins with the term itself, passive income. It may sound like you're about to earn money while lounging on a beach, but let's dispel that myth right now. It requires upfront work, time, and often a bit of capital too. It's not a magical money tree, but a strategic game of planting seeds and nurturing them to fruition. Then there's the misconception that only the rich or tech-savvy can tap into these streams. Again, not true. Anyone, and we mean anyone, can generate passive income. It's about finding the right avenues that resonate with your skills and interests. Lastly, many believe it's too risky. Sure, there's risk involved, as with any investment, but with sound knowledge, careful planning, and a sprinkle of patience, the risk can be managed effectively. But don't worry, Asim Hafeez is here to guide you through it all. Opening. Asim uses a variety of strategies and tools to generate passive income. Now let's delve into the specifics of Asim's passive income strategies. One of Asim's most successful methods is affiliate marketing. This is where he promotes products or services from other companies and earns a commission for each sale made through his referral. He focuses on products that he personally uses and trusts, which makes his recommendations genuine and effective. Then there's the world of online courses. Asim is a firm believer in the power of knowledge and education. He creates comprehensive online courses in his areas of expertise, offering valuable insights and guidance to those who want to follow in his footsteps. These courses are not just a source of passive income for Asim, but also a platform to share his wealth of knowledge and experience. Now let's talk about dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows Asim to sell products directly to customers without having to keep the products in stock. He simply partners with a supplier, lists their products on his online store, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Asim's role is essentially to act as the middleman, connecting customers with suppliers. It's a business model that requires little upfront investment, making it an attractive option for generating passive income. Asim also uses a range of tools to streamline these processes and maximize his earnings. From affiliate marketing software to course creation platforms and dropshipping tools, Asim leverages the best technology available to automate and optimize his passive income streams. But here's the key. Asim didn't master all these strategies overnight. It took him time, patience, and a lot of trial and error. He started small, learned from his mistakes, and gradually built up his passive income streams. Closing. These are just some of the many ways Asim generates his passive income. Remember, the path to financial freedom is not always easy, but with the right strategies, tools, and a bit of perseverance, it's definitely achievable. There was a pivotal moment when Asim discovered the most effective method for generating passive income. Imagine a world where you're not constantly chasing after the next paycheck, where the money flows into your account even as you sleep. It sounds like a dream, right? Well, for Asim, it became a reality. In his early days, Asim was just like any of us, working a 9-to-5 job, living paycheck to paycheck. He was always on the lookout for ways to earn more, to secure a better future. His journey to financial freedom wasn't a straight path, though. It was filled with trials and errors, with moments of doubt and hope. But then, everything changed. Asim stumbled upon the concept of affiliate marketing, and it was like the missing piece of a puzzle. He realized that he could earn money by promoting products or services of other companies. By simply sharing a unique affiliate link, he could earn a commission for each sale made through his referral. Asim decided to give it a shot. He started small, promoting products he genuinely believed in. The results weren't instant, but Asim was patient. He honed his skills, learning more about digital marketing and SEO. Slowly but surely, his efforts started to pay off. His affiliate links began generating consistent sales and his passive income grew. Before he knew it, Asim was earning more from his passive income streams than he was from his day job. He was no longer living paycheck to paycheck. He had achieved financial freedom. But Asim didn't stop there. He used his newfound wealth to invest in other passive income streams like online courses and dropshipping. He diversified his income, ensuring that he wasn't reliant on a single source. His wealth grew, and so did his success. Asim's story is a testament to the power of passive income. It's a journey of transformation, from a regular 9-to-5er to a passive income superstar. It's proof that with the right strategies and a little patience, anyone can achieve financial freedom. And that's how Asim became a passive income superstar. Let's recap what we've learned today. Asim Hafeez, a master of passive income generation, shared his fastest money-making method with us. He started small, like most of us, but he found the path to financial freedom by leveraging diverse income streams. His tools of choice: affiliate marketing, online courses, and dropshipping. He debunked the common misconceptions about passive income, showing us that it's not just a dream but a reality within our reach. The key takeaway is that passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires strategic planning, smart decisions, and most importantly, taking action. Asim's success story is a testament to the power of passive income. He discovered an effective method that worked for him, and it can work for you too. Unlocking passive income is more than just a way to make money, it's a journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the power to secure your financial future is in your hands. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more invaluable tips on passive income. Like, share and drop a comment with your own experiences or queries. Thank you for watching, and here's to your future financial freedom.